The Icon of the Seas is a remarkable cruise ship, built for Royal Caribbean International, and is the lead ship of the Icon class. Launched in December 2022, and christened by footballer Lionel Messi on January 23, 2024, it entered service on January 27, 2024. Constructed in Finland, the ship's building process began in April 2022 and cost approximately €1.65 billion. The Icon of the Seas is known for its impressive features. It features the largest water park at sea, covering 17,000 square feet with 6 slides. It also has the first infinity pool at sea, the largest pool at sea, and the largest ice arena at sea. The ship can accommodate up to 7,600 passengers at maximum capacity, and has a crew of 2,350. In terms of size, the Icon of the Seas is significantly larger than the Titanic, and it is 5 times heavier. It measures 364.75 meters in length, while the Titanic was approximately 269.1 meters long. The Icon of the Seas also represents a significant leap in environmental sustainability. It is powered by liquefied natural gas, LNG, making it one of the most eco-friendly cruise ships in the world. This is a stark contrast to the Titanic, which was powered by coal-fired boilers. Finally, the safety measures on the Icon of the Seas are far superior to those on the Titanic. It is equipped with advanced navigation systems, state-of-the-art lifeboats, and comprehensive safety protocols. In conclusion, while the Titanic holds a significant place in history, the Icon of the Seas represents the pinnacle of modern cruise ship design and technology. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.